Hello everyone, it's me, Dee Ashford, your project manager in the Information Management Department here at Bavant Publishing. I am so excited as we have been having a really good focus on increasing customer service here at Bavant Publishing. The technical advisors on our team have been tasked to create a new and efficient database for our team. And as you know, we all have been participating in an intense customer service training to improve our customer service. But what we'll discuss today is our new and efficient database. Our learning objectives today will be to create a form and to place controls on a control layout using Microsoft Office. Let's begin. First, we need to open the Access file. Click the Windows button, scroll up to Access, and Bavant Publishing should already be preloaded into your workstation. It takes just a moment to load. After it loads, you'll notice the different ribbons at the top, the commands in the middle, and here is your navigation page. You'll find your queries, your tables, forms, and reports. The technical team has already been privy to preload some forms to give us a heads up and to give us a template of how to use them. Next, we'll be creating a form of our own. We'll use the customer table to create the form. Click Customer, then click Create. The Create ribbon is just adjacent to the Home ribbon. Our next step will be using the Form Wizard. You can find the Form Wizard under the Forms tab. Click on the Form Wizard one time. When you click on the Form Wizard, a new window will appear, and Form Wizard should be in the top left-hand corner. You'll also see the table we're working on, which is the customer table, available fields, these middle buttons, which takes things from the left side to the right, or the right side to the left. These are the available fields that we have to work with. And as we click the available fields, which will be highlighted in black, you click the right button, and they'll automatically be generated in the Selected Fields column. We'll use the customer number. Now, as we choose a field, it automatically goes to the next available field in line, which happens to be customer name. We will use that field also, so we'll click the right arrow again. Well, we don't need this next field, which is street, or at the next subsequent ones after that. So we'll scroll down a bit till we get to customer type and highlight customer type. After we highlight customer type, we'll click the right arrow again and notice that it's generated in the Selected Fields tab. Now we're going to use the next 5 fields after that, so I'll take the liberty as to just clicking all the way through, following those same steps. After we have all the fields that we need into the Selected Fields column, we'll click Next. You'll then see a layout of what you want your form to look like. There are 4 different choices. We will use the columnar choice, which is the top choice today. It's already pre-highlighted, so you click Next. Now here's where we give our form a name. We're going to call this form the Customer Financial Form. We click inside the button in order to type those words, and we want to open the form to enter more information. So that's already highlighted, and we'll click Finish. Congratulations! You have now created a customer financial form. Our next task is to learn what form controls are. Well, form controls are the various items on the form, and there are 3 types of controls. bound controls, unbound controls, and calculated controls. Bound controls have attached labels that typically display the name of the field that supplies the data for the control. The CU pound is an example of a bound control. As you click it, at the bottom of your screen highlighted in red will be a customer number, and it tells what the CU pound means. Our next step is to place controls into a control layout. So what we'll do first is we have our customer financial form already open. We'll go up to View, which is located just underneath the File ribbon. Click the down arrow and click Layout View, which is the second choice in the drop-down menu. With our Form and Layout menu, we'll now go to the ribbon that says Arrange, which is in between Design and Format, under the Form Layout tool. After we click Arrange, we'll click on the control, like so. In order to click multiple controls, press and hold the Shift button. We will select all of the controls for this exercise. It takes just a moment to select all of the controls. Always hold the Shift button to ensure that you can select all of the controls. Our next step is to click the Stack button. The Stack button is located just underneath the Home button ribbon. Congratulations! You have now placed your controls into a stack layout. Just a brief recap. What we learned today is how to create a form, which is this customer financial form that we created using our Create a Form menu. The next thing we learned how to do is to use the controls. Remember, the controls are the various labels within the form. And we changed the layout by using the stacked layout. You can also go tabular, but for this choice, stacked is similar to a paper form with the labels to the left of each field. Congratulations! You just learned how to use several functions within Microsoft Access.